Today, we're going to tackle two tiny English words that can cause some surprisingly big headaches. All and each. They seem so simple, right? But the grammar behind them, well, it's pretty specific. So let's jump right in and get it sorted out.
So take a look at these. Which one feels right to you? If you're pausing for a second, you are not alone. This is a super common sticking point. But here's the fun part. Neither of them is correct. By the time we're done here, you'll know exactly why, and you'll know how to fix them every single time.
First up, let's talk about the word all. The secret to mastering this one is to always think about the entire group as one big unit. Think whole. Right. So when you use all, you're really talking about the total package. You're not looking at some of the things, or most of them. You're talking about 100% of them, all bundled together. And that brings us to the golden rule. This is the one thing you have to burn into your brain. With all, you're always going to use a plural noun and a plural verb. It just makes sense, right? All means more than one, so the words that come after it have to be plural too.
Let's see how this works in the real world. You'd say all students, that's plural, are happy, also plural. See, they match. Same thing for the next one. All the phones work well. You have a plural noun, phones, and a plural verb, work. They have to go together.
Okay, so that's all. Now, let's flip the script and look at our other word, each. If all is about the whole group, well, each is the total opposite. It's all about the individual. So with each, I want you to picture yourself walking through a group and pointing to every single member, one by one. It's like you're putting a little spotlight on every single person or thing inside that bigger group. And since we're thinking one by one, the grammar just follows along logically. For each, you have to use a singular noun and a singular verb. Just think, each means one at a time, so the words after it have to be singular. Let's look at these examples. Each student is clever. See that? Singular noun, student, singular verb, is. And again, each house has a garden. We're talking about one house at a time. It's a really clean, logical pattern once you see it. All right, this is the moment of truth. Let's put these two words head to head so you can really see the difference crystal clear. This is the showdown. Okay, this slide right here is basically your cheat sheet. If you take a screenshot of anything, make it this one. On the left, you've got all. That's for the whole group, so it's plural and plural. On the right, you've got each. That's for the individual, so it's singular and singular. Group versus one by one. That's the entire secret. So we've gone through the rules, we've compared them. Now it's time to put what you've learned into practice. Let's do a few quick questions together to lock it in. You ready? Okay, first one up. All the children, should it be is or are playing outside? Think about that rule for all, and think about the word children. Is it singular or plural? And the correct answer is are. You got it. Children is a plural noun, so it absolutely needs the plural verb are. All the children are playing. Nice one. Okay, let's try another one. Each book, is it is or are, finished? Now we're using each. What was that rule again? The answer has to be is, exactly. Remember, each needs a singular noun, book, and a singular verb, is. We're thinking about them one by one. Each book is finished. All right, for this last one, we're going to flip it around. Take a look at the sentence. Student has a pencil. Should that blank be filled with each or all? The clue is in the words that are already there. The correct word is each. And why? Because student is singular, and the verb has is singular. Only each works with that singular combo. See how you can work backwards? Awesome job. Okay, we've covered a lot in a short time, so let's boil it all down to the two super simple rules you need to walk away with. So here it is, plain and simple. When you see all, I want you to think group, and that means you use plural words. When you see each, think individual, and you use singular words. Group versus individual, plural versus singular. That is the whole thing right there. And there you have it. The secret's out. These two little words are now officially under your control. The only question left is, how will you use each of these rules to make your English sound that much better today? Thanks for stopping by.